All right, it's 10:40-ish on, what day is it today? Sunday.
Something like that.
On Sunday. We made it to Mobile last night at about 11 p.m.-ish. Joe put us up in this really nice residence inn, something along those lines. Fantastic, 2 beds, very important. Renaissance. There we go, yeah. And we are about to leave today. We're getting about a 15-minute earlier start than yesterday. We have about 630 miles to cover to get to Austin. And we will be updating along the way. Do you have any fun, interesting facts you want to share about the trip today?
Good vegan discussion this morning.
Great vegan discussion this morning, as all vegan discussions probably are. Great.
A good scotch settled the cold last night.
Uh-huh.
That was good.
But not a hot toddy, because they don't make hot toddy.
Because they don't, hot water doesn't exist.
Right, right. It's true. It's true.
Other than that, a good first day. The butt ain't that sore. So
Yeah.
that's good.
And by Jamie's clock, that is 35th day. We've got 34 more days to go before
I don't like
we're back.
Jamie's clock.
All right. All right. See ya.